yellow golds, white golds, or rose gold. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a Cartier Love ring unboxing. Comes with this gorgeous deep red shopper bag, and then you get a proof of purchase, gorgeous Cartier little card holder sleeve. When you open it up, it's got a little pocket here. I've got the sales associate's business card, and then you've got the Cartier authenticity card. Onto the Cartier Love ring itself, it comes beautifully sealed, beautifully wrapped in gorgeous texturized white paper, nicely folded, sealed on both sides with red wax and stamped with the Cartier symbol. It is stunning. This is like, it reminds me of back in the day when they did love letters or bought a piece of paperwork, they would use wax and just stamp their emblem on there. This is just so beautiful. It's been a few days since I've received this. I've got today off work out of the whole week, so I'm so excited. I've been hanging to open this. And you know, it makes it more special because I want to share it with you guys, just the whole experience. So I'm going to open it from this side, this seal. Okay. Oh yes. So open this up like that. I just love the attention to detail. And then you can see the red box there. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay. I'll just slide this out. Oh, wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous presentation box. I'm going to lift up the lid. Oh. Wow, it's beautiful. It's got like a gorgeous fleur printed on the outside in gold. The box itself is quite weighty, which is good coming from Cartier. It's something that you would expect. It's really, really gorgeous jewelry box. Oh my gosh, I'm just really excited to share and open and box this with you because it is my very first ever Cartier bijou. This has been on my wish list. It has been on my wish list for quite some time now. I'm going to press the button. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's stunning. It's stunning. I just love it. I just love it. Can you believe that? I just love it so much. Okay, so I'm going to take the ring out. Close the box. Wow, wow, wow. Alright. This is in the size 55, made out of 18 karat yellow gold. So what I noticed when they were packaging this size 55 up, I was looking around and I noticed on the swing tags of the other piece of jewelry on display, a lot of their jewelry is made in 3 different countries. France, you've got Italy, and you've got Switzerland. And the swing tag that was on this ring here is made in Switzerland. I guess the different types of countries determine how it's embossed, how it's stamped, and yeah, it's really, really beautiful. So I'm going to wear this one on my middle finger. Oh my gosh. And yes, this one fits perfectly. See, it does slide in really easily. This is a really, really good size. I can't believe it. It fits perfectly. Imagine the 56 was just slide off. So I chose the 18 karat yellow gold Cartier Love ring because I feel as though it's true to the Cartier Love series, and I chose a thicker band because I feel as though it's more casual as compared to the thinner band. I feel as though that's more wedding band type. The yellow gold is so stunning. It's really shiny. I'm very content with this ring. This one is sort of like a good taste for the Cartier Love bracelet, but I already have this, so I'm not sure if I would go the bracelet because I already have this, and this one was always top on my wish list anyway, so I'm so glad that I have this. I'm never going to take this off. I absolutely love it. I'm going to wear this daily. I definitely think that a love ring is a good starting point just to get your Cartier Love addiction out of the way. It's beautiful. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That would be so lovely. I hope you enjoy your day or night wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.